Hello everyone, today's topic is types of medical coding system. There are several types of medical coding including current procedural terminology CPT, a procedural coding system that identifies medical procedures and services such as surgical and diagnostic tests, ICD-10-CM. A coding system that classifies diagnosis, symptoms, and procedures in the U.S. hospital system. Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System (HCPCS), a set of codes used to describe things not covered by CPT codes such as ambulance services, durable medical equipments, and certain medicines. HCPCS is the official code set used to medical and Medicaid diagnostic related group DRG, a system that categorizes medical codes for billing purpose. DRGs categorize hospital services based on the diagnosis, type of treatment, and other criteria. When choosing a medical coding system, you can consider things like industry requirements, what's commonly used in your field. Specialization, whether your specialty requires specialized coding knowledge is of use, whether the coding system is user friendly, regulatory requirement, whether the coding system aligning with regulatory guidelines and their requirements. Medical coding helps providers comply with rules and regulation and measure and improve their quality and performance. ICD-10 stand for the International Classification of Diseases 10th revision, a medical classification list published by the World Health Organization (WHO). It is a system for coding diseases, symptoms, abnormal finding, complaints, and social circumstances and external causes of injury or diseases. Here are some things to know about the ICD-10. ICD-10-CM, this is a clinical modification of ICD-10 which is used by healthcare providers in the United States of code diseases and medical conditions. The National Center for Health Statistics (NCHS) of the CDC is responsible for clinical identification of ICD-10 for use in the United States. ICD-10 claims processing physicians use ICD-10 codes to classify and code all diagnosis, symptoms, and procedures, and claim processing. ICD-10 and death certificates. ICD-10 is used to code cause of death certificates. ICD-10 and India adopted ICD-10 coding in 2000. ICD-10 and table of drugs and chemicals. This tables helps locate codes for poisoning of allergic reactions. Current procedure terminology. CPT is a set of medical codes used to describe medical services and procedures. Who used CPT codes? Physicians, aligned healthcare professionals, non-physicians, participation. Practitioners and hospital outpatient facilities and laboratories uses CPT codes. How CPT codes are used. CPT codes are used to report procedures and services to federal and private payers for reimburse, and who creates maintains CPT codes. The American Medical Association creates maintains CPT codes with CPT editorial panel leading the processes. How often the new edition released? New edition of the CPT codes set up released in October. How are CPT codes structured? Each CPT code represents a written description of a procedure of services. For example, the code of management of liver and the code for the management of liver hemiplegia and simple procedure of the liver would